Looking to install a lightweight sandbox so that you can test different software in an isolated environment? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching the Windows 10 Sandbox Explained. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Windows 10 Sandbox environment that is built into every Windows 10 Professional and Windows 10 Enterprise operating systems. That being said, let's jump right into it. To begin, ensure that you have virtualization capabilities enabled within your motherboard's BIOS. If you're unsure if you do or not, simply reboot your computer and enter the BIOS, and then hunt for the correct settings to enable. You can also reference your motherboard's manual if you need help. Once you have this complete, load back into Windows and launch the control panel. From here, choose the Uninstall a Program option. Then, on the left-hand side of the window, click the Turn Windows Features On and Off button. This will then load the Windows Features submenu. From here, scroll down to the Windows Sandbox and put a check next to it. Then, click the OK button and wait for the installation to complete. Once the install is successful, you will need to reboot your computer before you can use the Sandbox. Once your PC is rebooted, just click on the Windows Start menu and search Sandbox. Then click the Sandbox button and it will launch the Windows Sandbox virtual environment within your computer. This tool is extremely handy because it provides a very lightweight desktop environment to safely run any applications you want within isolation, meaning those applications will never touch the computer you installed the Sandbox onto, which is also known as the host machine. Further, the Sandbox is temporary, meaning when it's closed, all of the software, files, and settings that you configured will be completely deleted. So when you go to open it again, it'll be a brand new instance of the Windows 10 Sandbox and a brand new operating system for you to play around with. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.